Vibrations is divided into three types of vibrations. First, free and transient vibration. This vibration occurs only at the initial state of the process and will decay after a certain time. Second, forced vibration. It caused by unbalanced rotating mass, error during setup process of the machine. Third, self-excited vibration. Vibration that caused by other vibrations on the part of the machine tool. It means that when one part of the machine vibrates, if the vibrations or the frequency of the vibration reach at the natural frequency of the other part, it will cause excessive vibration to be occur. So now we are looking for the source of vibration. Misalignment of the shaft during machining, porosity of the machine tool, inhomogeneous of the workpiece material, assembly, error in machine part, changing of elasticity of belt. So for the misalignment of the shaft, we can see that they have two types of misalignment. The first one is parallel misalignment, second is angular misalignment. However, both of misalignment can be occur at the same time. Porosity of the material also can affect and cause the vibration to be occur. Porosity have two types. First, microporosity. Second, macroporosity. If we want to look at the microporosity, we need to use or look it under microscope. For the macroporosity, we can only use our naked eyes to see because it is big in size. How I can say the porosity can affect and cause the vibration, because if the material has a lot of microporosity or macroporosity, it will reduce the elastic modulus. When the elastic modulus is reduced, the material can be easily distorted even when a small force applied on it. So it is very important to make sure that they have least number of macroporosity during productions of the process. The porosity always occurs during we do a casting process. Next, we must see the advantage and disadvantage of the vibration. The disadvantage of the vibration is when we doing a machining, if the vibration occur, it can reduce the dimensional accuracy of the product. It also can produce noise during machining and irregular object material, where it can cause wasting of product. The advantage of the vibration is it also can be used in vibration assist machining, such as ultrasonic machining. When we use ultrasonic machining in a various type of process, it can increase the tool life and avoid heat affected zone on the material, as we know that if the material is exposed to the heat, it can cause the material to change its microstructure. Then it also can cause the properties of the material to be changed. However, we can control the vibration. The first method, if we want to control the vibration, is by using of the anti-vibration tool. Anti-vibration tool, we can see in the video how it works. So we can see that the bottom machine tool have the anti-vibration tool, which can make the vibration decay fast compared to the other machine tool. also can do a little bit improvement on the work holder. We know that during machining, there have vibrations occur, but we can reduce or even eliminate it by produce another vibration, which when two vibrations are occur at the same time, it can produce a destructive vibrations. These destructive vibrations can reduce the total vibrations occur during the machining. However, we need to control the amount of vibration that we want to produce, because every process will use different amount of frequency. So now we can see this product, which called mechanical seal. Why I show this product? Because mechanical seal is a very important to have a good surface finishing, but if the vibration occur during machining, good surface finishing we cannot be achieved, because it can make the surface to be rough. So by using or reduce the vibration, we can get a better surface finishing. Bad surface finishing can cause it to leaking to be occur in pump or a mixer. So that's all from me. Thank you.